Hello, good morning ladies and gentlemen, it's Wendy from Wendy's Craft Den. I live in Narberth and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. And I've got something to show you today that I haven't actually made into a video because I thought it might sort of take too long. So, these are one of the paper pumpkin boxes. I'll take this out while I'm showing you, but they're brilliant because they've got the shiny bit. These are food safe as well, so that's another big tick for them. If you want to, just make a little something up for a friend to let them know you're thinking about it, put a bar of chocolate or something inside, Right, this is something I came up with the other day. I bought this Woodland Wonder stamp. When I saw it, I knew exactly what I was going to do with it. So, let me show you what I've been doing with it. Right, so I start at the bottom with this stamp, that one there, and then what I did was I stamped it all brown and then wiped it off and put green on the bottom. So you got that. Then you've got all of the, if I turn it over you'll be able to see these better, I think, there. If this thing would stop flipping around. Right. So, yeah, right, you've got these, which I've done there, and then when I get to the bit in the middle, that bit, what I do is with this one, I'll ink all of it up to about there. Can you see what I mean? So you're using then just that bit, just to make it a bit longer. As you can see, go put the odd butterfly here and there. From there, just carry on all the way up. I go, hello, you're as cute as a bug. Just little sayings from other stamps that I thought was cute. Right, here we go. I've added that extra bit again. But this time, we've gone up to the branches. Let me pull this back down. Now then, what I did here, I stamped the brown first. And what I did then was, stamped the brown first. Then I cleaned all of the bits off there for the brown off the bird and that, and just dibbled. Dibbled is a good word. Please remember that. I dibbled then various greens. You can't really tell there are various greens there, but there are greens there. So if I open it out, I should do this slowly. Oops. Ooh, and it goes on. It's about 33 inches long. Now I haven't put the measurements on here for a reason, because I don't know what stage you're going to start measuring your little one from. Just one idea though, if you measure it 2 foot, this doesn't have to go right to the floor. If you're measuring him at 2 foot, then put a measurement there, 2 foot, and obviously put it 2 foot up the wall, and then you could get a little bit more out of it. And then that's then all, it will fold up, that folds up, and they go into this little box. Now what I was thinking of was sticking this to the bottom of the box, so then when you pull it out, then you've got that little bit of weight at the bottom. So there we are. I hope you like it, and I will be putting the measurements and the recipe, or whatever it's called, instructions on my blog. And as you can see, Wendy's Craft Den, I've got on Facebook, YouTube, and my blog. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you all again soon. Bye.